Hey guys, Goofy Bastard here. So in my last video, I talked about some exciting news coming for the channel. And now I'm going to reveal it. Some people already know about it and some people don't. If you follow me on Instagram, if you've seen some of my stories, then you might have saw it and maybe didn't realize what it was. But anyway, in the first quarter of 2024, I am adding a new motorcycle onto the channel. No, I am not getting rid of my Harley. No, I'm not doing that. And second of all, it's a new to me motorcycle. It's not a brand new motorcycle, it's a new to me motorcycle. So, let me explain how this all happened. So about a month ago, it was the week before Thanksgiving, the Friday before Thanksgiving, I bought a raffle ticket. A raffle ticket from Forgotten Angels. They had been raffling off, not auctioning off, but they've been raffling off motorcycles every couple weeks to raise money for the Forgotten Angels Foundation. And in association with Shea Tree Surgeon and the Brapstar Garage and everybody associated with them, I won a Yamaha VMAX. Now this is a motorcycle that it came out when I was in high school, and I lusted after this motorcycle. And I was in high school, I couldn't afford one. When I got out of high school, started riding, I couldn't afford one. And when I was finally able to afford a motorcycle like that, it just wasn't practical for me to have it as my only motorcycle. So I never really got one, never bought one. Loved them, but never bought one. So me getting this Yamaha VMAX is going to be a dream come true, however you want to look at it. But it's not going to be my main motorcycle, which means I can ride it for fun, have a good time with it. So anyway, I won this motorcycle in the Forgotten Angels raffle. Now, before I play you, I'm going to play you a clip of when Josh called me on his live stream to notify me that I won this motorcycle. But before I do that, I just want to speak about Forgotten Angels for a minute here. So Forgotten Angels is an organization that takes in young men who have aged out of the foster care system and helps them become a productive member of society instead of maybe the alternative where, they're homeless, they may become criminals, may, even worse. So they take these young men in and they build them tiny homes on their property, and they educate them further than what they've already been educated, which, in some cases isn't a lot. They teach them how to drive. They teach them how to ride a motorcycle and just life skills they're going to need to move on and be a productive member of society. So if you can support them, please support them. Right now, so they've been having these raffles every couple weeks. They've been giving away motorcycles, raffling off motorcycles every couple of weeks. And when you buy a raffle ticket for the motorcycles, you are actually entered into the grand prize, okay? The grand prize is going off on December 24th, Christmas Eve. The grand prize is either a house in Florida. You can win a house in Florida. Come on, man. Like, even if you want a house, you could be a snowbird and go down there in the wintertime if you live up north. So you could win a house in Florida or $250,000 cash, all right? Now, I'll leave a link in the description below for the Forgotten Angels raffle. This way, if you want to help support them, please help support them. If you have an extra $25, tickets are $25 a piece. You have an extra $25. It is Christmas. I get it. Money's tight. I understand. If you have an extra $25, please consider buying a raffle ticket. I've bought a few of these raffle tickets for motorcycles over the course of since they've been raffling them off, and with that I still entered into the grand prize. So please, if you can, it's one ticket for $25, you get 5 tickets for $100. So consider it. So I'll play a real quick, it's not going to be the full clip, but it'll be a real quick clip of when I won, when he called me and I won. And just to be fair warned, there is some foul language in it. Because if y'all know me, you know I don't have a filter. And I curse a lot. A fucking lot. So let's roll that tape.
All right, get your motherfucking phones out.
It's an old ticket, too. Like
Hello?
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 Hello.
You're shitting me. You are fucking shitting me, dude.
What's up, weirdo? You just won a motorcycle, my man.
You are fucking... I'm taking the fucking VMAX, man. Fuck off.
Can I talk you out of it? No, I'm just kidding, man. You got a VMAX, my man.
All right. Dude, fucking A.
Yes, dude. Sometimes people aren't excited. I'm so
What a
glad
great
you're
reaction.
stoked. Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'm so glad you're stoked
I'm
about it.
driving a fucking truck, listening to the fucking live stream. Fucking A, man.
Dude, I love your accent too. Like,
Where are you from?
the way he said, "Oh, can you tell fucking Pennsylvania?"
Yeah, right, man. Fucking A.
All right, guys. So, yes. I won a motorcycle. Like I said, it'll be first quarter 2024. Probably won't get it till the end of the first quarter. My original plan was, while I was on vacation in December, to go down and get it. It's just things didn't work out for me the way I was hoping they would, and I couldn't make it happen. So I'm going down, going to pick it up. And yes, they do have an option. I can get delivered. I can get, they will deliver it to me. They will have it shipped to me, whatever. I want to actually go down there and meet everybody, meet all those guys. And there's other people down there that I want to meet as well. Y'all guys know who you are. So yeah, that's why I've decided to go pick up the motorcycle. I'm not riding it back. I'm going to trailer it back, because it's going to be March, and fuck, it could be 3 foot of snow on the ground in March. So anyway, like I said, support Forgotten Angels. It's a great cause. They're trying to expand across the country and help more young men, and from what I understand, women too, who have aged out of the foster care system. So yes, I want a motorcycle. I'm supporting Forgotten Angels, and I think you should too. So anyway, here's where I'm going to end it. Y'all stay safe, guys. Y'all love one another. And yes, people do win shit. Peace.